In this video, I will show you how to install TV clock on your Android TV. This is very helpful. If you find this video useful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to get the TV clock application on your Android TV, this is what you have to do. Now I'm going to be using a tool and application I love using so much, and it's called Downloader. So Downloader is a very helpful application for you to have on your Android TV. What Downloader does is that it helps you get apps, APKs from across the internet or the web and install and download to your Android TV. So in this case, we're going to be searching using it to search the keyword TV clock. So TV clock is a simple tool that helps you display time on your screen on your Android TV. So to get it, just come to the box over here and type in TV clock or type in TV clock app. So as you do that, just click on go. Then download is going to show you where you can install the application to your Android TV from the internet. And as you can see on my screen right now, here are the various options that you can choose. So you can just scroll through them and then see which one you want to go. But the right TV clock is this. So you click on this and it's going to show you the you can use the other option here. It's going to show you where you can install the application. Alright, so you come over here, just here's a download button. And if you click on download, you're going to follow the instructions and get the application to your Android TV.